Hi everyone! Welcome to another Quickie yoga session. So in today's class, we are going to use kettlebells. So this will be a killer kettlebell yoga session. So for today, I am using a 4 kilogram kettlebell. If you have kettlebells, use whatever weight you're comfortable with. If you don't have them, you can use a dumbbell, or feel free to maybe use blocks, or maybe even use a water bottle just to give you additional weight. So we'll start at the top of our mat. You'll grab your kettlebells, okay. And then we'll just press the shoulders back, find your zipper, and then hold steady here for a moment in Tadasana. Okay, so notice what starts to activate first. And then from here, we'll start to find chair pose. We'll bend the knees. Okay. So remember, in chair pose, you should still see your toes, so shift the hips back or the butt back. Hug that belly in. Inhale, we'll stand up again. Okay, so just 2 more times. Coming into chair, any amount. You can be in a high chair or you can be in a low chair as you hold the weights by the sides. Inhale, we'll come up again. Last one, we'll find chair pose, bend the knees. Okay, so look slightly in front or find that angle where it's comfortable for the head. And then from here, we'll fold forward, bring the weights to the sides as we fold. Inhale, come up halfway. And then as you exhale, we'll step back. You can simply hold plank or you can transition through. Breathing in and then exhale into downward facing dog. You will lift the right leg up, step it through. In between the hands, we'll find warrior 1, ground that left heel, and then from here, grab 1 kettlebell, okay, or weight, and then we'll reach the arms up, but then we'll bring it behind us. Okay, so as we stay steady here, hold that zipper, okay, and then find that rotation at the triceps, so roll it in towards the ears, and then from here we'll reach the arms up and then bend at the elbows. Just 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. You're gonna bend any amount at that right knee. Inhale and exhale. From here we'll lift up again. Just be mindful of the kettlebell as you bring it down. Stepping back, breathing in, and then you can transition through any way you like. See, exhale into downward facing dog. Left side, left leg lifts as we step it through. Ground that right heel, traction the thighs. Hold that kettlebell as you come up into warrior 1. So you can bring it in front first as you set up the legs. Find that zipper again, and then we'll reach the arms up, elbows bend behind you. So it's easy for the elbows to wing out to the sides. So can you roll the triceps in as we breathe in and breathe out. Okay, you can do this as many times as you like. Okay, but for this set, we'll just do it 3 rounds. Inhale and exhale. Okay, be mindful as we lift up and then lower down the kettlebell as we step back. Inhale, and then you can bend through the elbows. Breathe in maybe to cobra or up dog or even locust. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Breathing in and out of the nose. You can bend the knees 1 at a time. Maybe you can even wiggle the hips side to side. 1 more breath. And from here, look in between the hands. You can step or jump forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. From here, grab the kettlebell, and then we'll find chair pose again. Hug that belly in as we come up to chair. Okay, breathing in. Hold here for another breath. And then from here, we'll lower down the weights. Hands come down as we fold. Inhale, come up halfway. And then exhale, making your way back. Okay. Transition through, or simply hold plank. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, we'll lift the right leg up. We'll step it through in between the hands. Okay, so we'll find balance here. We'll find warrior 3. Okay, but we'll grab our weights or our kettlebells. So you can shorten the stance, keep reaching the chest forward, and then when you're ready, we'll start to lift that left leg up, and then we'll start to carry the weight. Okay, hold steady here. Right leg working a lot. Okay, reach that left heel back or left toes back as the chest reaches forward. And then as you exhale, we'll slowly bend the knee as we come back down. Then you can transition through breathing in and breathing out. All right, trying this on the left side. Inhale, left leg lifts. We'll step it through in between the hands. Set up the legs again. So traction the thighs. We'll grab our kettlebells. When you're ready, ground through that left foot. Start to float the right leg up. You can stay here or we'll start to lift the kettlebell up. Okay, breathing here. So a lot of work on the standing leg. Reaching back as chest and crown of the head reaches forward. One more cycle. And then from here, we'll slowly land back down. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Can move through. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Breathing in and out of the nose. One more breath in. From here, we'll look in between the hands. You can step or jump forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll bend the knees. Grab the kettlebell. And then we'll find chair pose. Hold for another cycle. And then from here, we'll stand up to Tadasana. All right. This time, okay, set your weights down first. Okay, then we'll step that left foot back. From here, we'll turn the feet out. Okay, then we'll start to bend the knees. Grab your kettlebell and then hold steady here. So find traction through the thighs. Hug that belly in, and then from here, we'll just slowly swing up and down. Okay, so know that since there's movement, so a lot of muscles have to stabilize. Maybe at the legs. Shoulders are also working. If it's accessible for you, maybe bring the kettlebell all the way up. Okay, maybe do this a few more rounds. Traction the thighs. So you swing the bell up and then bring it back down. Okay, then from here, bring the kettlebell down. And then we'll point the toes forward. And then as you exhale, we'll fold. Folding in half. Breathing in and out of the nose. One more breath in. From here, we'll come up halfway. Okay. And then from here, we'll come all the way up. Okay. You can step or jump the feet together. Bring the hands together. Namaste. So I hope you enjoyed that full body workout. We worked our shoulders, our back, our core, and a lot on our hips as well when we did the balancing pose. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.